I was born and raised in a city near Shanghai in China. And I went to college in Shanghai. After graduation, I came here as a graduate student, and I got my degree from Stanford, and I stayed on. So I like this place so much that it was such a wonderful place. I enjoyed working, and the place also provides me with a wonderful opportunity, so I stayed here. Yeah. One is the realization of a special pairing structure of the superconductors we're working on. The moment when we realize that the superconductors, what we're dealing with, are very different from the superconductors known before, in the sense that how the electrons will pair itself participating in the superconducting phenomenon. That was a very exciting moment, because you realize you've made an important discovery. The second one is a kind of strange one. These superconductors we're working on also have a very different energy spectrum, completely different from the conventional superconductors. I remember very vividly, one night at the SSIL, I was talking to my then postdoc, Dan Dassault, and I looked at the spectrum looked so different, and we were so conditioned to the conventional superconductors. And I told Dan, said, look, Dan, it may be everything we have done is wrong. That was the moment we were sitting there, looked at the data and said, this is so unexpected. We saw we were wrong. It took us, I think, another 18 months to systematically look through everything. And we realized that it was not the case we were wrong. It was the case that the energy spectrum of those superconductors were completely different. And of course, that was another paper which we published in Science magazine and made it to one of the top physics citations. So those are the defining moments, you realize that you've either done something very right, or you have done something really strange, or may even be wrong. Naturally, you're very happy to receive the kind of recognition. I mean, it's a recognition of me and the field I'm representing, as well as the collaborations I'm representing. I think the Stanford environment and also the SLAC environment made it possible for me to do the kind of research I'm doing. So I'm very happy about it. And of course, also this environment attracts some of the best and brightest young people to work with me. And this award recognizes, I guess, the contributions over the last 15 years. And over the last 15 years, I have a wonderful group of young people working with me. And a lot of them has gone on to be professors of major universities, and they became leaders themselves.